UBC is a busy campus with an estimated daytime population of 80,000 people. The main pedestrian priority zone, which includes Main Mall and University Boulevard, plays an important role in creating a walkable and accessible campus for our community. Since it is car-free, it is a slow-moving and an enjoyable shared active transportation corridor. Pedestrians can enjoy a relaxed and safe walking experience within the pedestrian priority zone, along with other active transportation modes. Everyone in the pedestrian priority zone needs to be aware of their surroundings and be respectful of other users. Other devices like bikes, scooters, and skateboards can be used in the pedestrian priority zone, but users are to reduce their speed and yield to pedestrians to ensure a relaxed and safe travel experience for everyone. Anyone wishing to travel at higher speeds is advised to use parallel routes, such as West Mall or Agronomy Road. By moving slowly and being respectful of others in the pedestrian priority zones, you can help build a safe community here at UBC.